Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Thank you for being here on Realize Guyana, home of all the traditional Guyanese recipes. So you can remember going into the cake shop in Guyana and buying a mabi and a buns, right? Well, today we're going to be making those buns for you guys, as delicious as that one that you bought in the shop with a mabi. So for this recipe, guys, we're going to be using some all-purpose flour, some baking powder, butter, sugar, grated coconut. We're going to be using some mixed essence. All the ingredients with measurements is going to be listed below the video in the description box, guys, so check there for that. So let's get started with this delicious Guyanese coconut buns. Alright guys, so to begin this coconut buns, we're going to start mixing up all our ingredients, our flour with our flour. And we are using all-purpose flour. As I said, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below this video. So we added sugar, baking powder, or grated coconut. So the fresh coconut is always better for buns, especially these buns. They'll taste so much better than if you buy the packet coconut or the shredded coconut. Like for this buns, you need the freshest thing, which is the grated coconut. But of course, if you can't find that, you can use what you have, right? So we can add our mixed essence now. So we're gonna give this a mix. So now we're going to add our butter. And you want to get everything incorporated there, everything mixed in well. So you want to mix this with your hands at the end, guys, to make sure everything is incorporated. And you should use brown sugar for this recipe, guys. If you have brown sugar, it'll give it the color you want. And then we're going to add our milk to make our dough. And the milk, it doesn't have to be any particular temperature. Out of the can is fine. So you're going to add your milk gradually to get a consistency you want. So that looks like it needs a little bit more milk, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Should be a little bit sticky like. Yeah, so when you use brown sugar for this recipe, guys, you get that dark color that the buns usually have. So the sugar is what gives you that. So if you use white sugar for this recipe, you won't have that. So guys, this is what the consistency that you need. It needs to be sticky like this here. And we use about 3/4 can of the evaporated milk to get it to this stage. So that's ready now. So we're gonna get our pan ready. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have lined our tray with some parchment paper, and now we're gonna scoop our buns into there. So you're just gonna take a spoon. Just like that. And you just want to give it a little round shape. Make it look like a buns. So that's it. So just like that, you're gonna scoop them out. Yes, in the cake shop, guys. Can you remember how much you used to pay for a buns in a Mobby? Probably about 5 cents, 6 cents. Those were the days, right? Or a Mobby and a fish bread. You still feel hungry, buy a buns. And buns was cheaper, right? So you should get about 8 buns with this mixture, guys. And that's our last one. That's our 8th bun. So there we go, guys. We're done. We have our 8 buns ready. So we're gonna go pop this into the oven now, which is already preheated. So we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this should be ready. So there, see you in about 25 minutes, guys. Alright my friends, so our buns should be ready. It's about 25 minutes, so we'll take this out of the oven now. And look at that, as you can see they've risen very nicely. And there you go. Our Guyanese coconut buns. So here they are. So that's it for this recipe, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. Click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.